So we are now back at the house, and I've actually found out that I actually broke my tripod earlier for my this camera here. The reason why I bought my tripod is to obviously use my camera, and now that it's broken, obviously now I can't actually use it, so that's annoyed me a little. I kind of laid on it. I was at the beach earlier today and I used it as a, well, my bag, obviously the tripod was in my bag, and I used my bag as a pillow and it just snapped, so it obviously wasn't that strong as I thought. So I'm going to get another one, I think. So this is what we are basically working with right now. This is obviously supposed to attach onto here, and then obviously my camera just winds around and goes onto this thing here. But obviously now I can't use that, so I'm either going to have to get some super glue or to obviously stick to there, or I'm going to have to buy a new one, which I think I'm going to have to buy a new one now, so brilliant. Yeah.